Looking to remodel your kitchen but want to do the work yourself? That is still an option with Village Home Stores. These customers in Geneseo, Illinois are a wonderful example of that. Their neighbors used Village, and so they gave us a chance to bid their project while they were shopping at some of the box stores locally. And like many people before them, they found out that not only can we compete with a box store, we can beat the box stores with price and certainly with design and style. They purchased cabinetry, hardware, countertops, wall tile, and a ton of great storage solutions for this kitchen remodel. It turned out amazing. We love every single detail of this kitchen and what they picked out, all the way down to the seated glass lighting. There is a ton of storage, a lot of style, and they did a fantastic job on this install by themselves. We love this over-the-counter microwave option by Sharp right above the bar sink, but our favorite feature of this kitchen isn't from Village at all. It's this candy dispenser. I mean, this is what you do with your adult money, folks. You put a candy dispenser in your kitchen so you can always have peanut butter M&Ms. That is truly goals.